Hey, this is Tyler Troutman at the Shure booth here at ISE 2026. Really excited to talk about our room kits. We launched these last year at ISE and they have really kind of taken fire. People are loving them. Everything that they can do with them. We have 4 kits that can fit into any room from small to large, and they consist of our compute in here, which is running Windows 11, certified for Microsoft Teams room, our console, our touch controller here, so you can control everything with connections for your laptops, and then we have a great partnership with Hudley for our cameras. And then everything is driven by fantastic audio by our MXA 902 ceiling arrays, which provides fantastic audios for people in the room, but also those AI tools we're using like Microsoft Copilot. So we have those 4 kits, and then we actually have a 5th one, our IntelliMix Room Foundation, which allows you to pretty much pair it with anything from the rest of our product portfolios, from our MXA arrays, our MXW wireless microphones, our MXN amps and speakers. So a lot of flexibility with the solution that can solve all the problems that you might be having in your Teams rooms deployments for, like I said, any room size. So really excited about this, and if you'd like to learn more, please visit us at Shure.com.